Going on, guys? Welcome back to Gadgets123. Thanks again for all the like, comment, subscription. You guys are awesome. First video after our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So appreciate all the support, appreciate all the comments, and the winner of this contest is Crimson. Congratulations, Crimson. You are the big winner. So big thumbs up to you, and your prize is on its way. Hopefully you would post when you get that, and hopefully you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. We're doing more giveaways later on this year, so join us on Facebook and Twitter for more information. Alright guys, so if you're watching this video, you probably have an issue with the ACER Aspire 5253. There's other models I'm going to link in the description that this should work with, so check out down below different Aspire models that you might be able to do this combination. So let's get started. Hey, what's going on, guys? So here's the actual laptop. This is the ACER 5253 model. One of my customers brought it in for repair just because he forgot the password, or I think his son forgot the password, and they're unable to actually use it. So right now it has a password. He doesn't know what to do, so I am going to go ahead and reset it. So you can see really nothing we could do, and when you click on it, it says unable. The username and password is incorrect. This model, unlike other ones, is actually fairly simple, so I'm going to show you the key combinations, all you need to do to actually reset it. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Just press, normally you should do the start, turn off, but this one doesn't have that option. So just hold the power button for a good 3 to 5 seconds. Just keep holding it down until the computer completely goes dead. Now let's do the key combination. Alright guys, the key combination is fairly simple. Again, all you have to do is turn on the laptop, and as soon as you turn on, press and hold the Alt and the F10. Again, it is the Alt and the F10. So we're going to do that right now so I could show you how that works. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So here's the power button. First thing you have to do is just press the power button, and as soon as you press it, just hold the Alt and F10. So let's do it. Power button. The computer is turning on. Alt F10. Keep holding it, holding it, holding it, and wait it, and that's it. Let it go. You're going to see the following. Alright guys, you're basically going to see that starting Windows. Just give it a minute. It's going to say please wait, and you're going to see this message, ACER Recovery Management. Now this is basically the formatting of the actual laptop. Now keep in mind that you're going to lose all or any information that you have there, but again, if you forget the password, basically this is the easiest and fastest way to reset the actual laptop to factory settings. Again, like I said, all you have to do is step 1, press the power button. As soon as the computer starts turning on, hold the Alt key and the F10 key for a good couple of seconds until you see the screen go black and the Windows logo will appear. Then you could just let it go, and you'll be able to see this page, which is the ACER E-Recovery Management. So right here, once you're here, all you have to do is pick the option you want. For instance, you have restore operating system to factory default, or restore operating system and retain user data. Again, you don't want to use that to retain user data just because you won't be able to log in. So I suggest you use the restore operating system to factory default to actually reset the whole computer to factory settings. And once you do that, everything says everything will be erased, which is fine, and you click next and give you some information, and it will tell you one more time, and then you reset it, and that's it. It usually takes about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes for this whole process to finish. So you just gotta be patient. It's gonna take a little while for it to reset, but once it restores, it's going to actually show you the welcome screen, or the main screen of the ACER laptop welcome screen. And that's it. All you do is configure it, and the password part will be gone. So again, as stated before, guys, power on, Alt and F10 for a good 3 to 5 seconds, and then as soon as you see that Windows logo, just let it go and it will automatically go to this Acer recovery management. Alright guys, so let's give it a minute and see what happens. As you can see right there, it's saying elapsed time, and again, it's gonna take a good 20 to 25 minutes. So I am going to just pause this video and wait until it's done. So sorry about that. Alrighty guys, so it finally finished. It actually took, just to install the Acer part of the software, it took an additional 30 to 35 minutes. So you're looking at about 15 minutes for the initial reset, deleting of everything, and then installing the actual, like a fresh copy of it. And then you have to wait another 35 minutes plus for the Acer software to be installed. And then once everything is installed, you're going to get to this point, which is the Windows 7 Home Premium screen. And then you would type username PC and click next. As you can see, the next button is graded out because you have to type in a name. There's the name, and if I click next, it will get started. But that's pretty simple. That's something that you guys could do yourself. I typed in an actual username, and now it's prompting me to type in a password, retype the password, and put a password hint. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, finally, after you type in the password twice and put in a hint, then you're going to get this Windows 7 Home Premium screen. And basically it's going to just finish the installation. What's going to happen now is it's going to turn off as it did right now. And you have to wait a couple more minutes. Yeah, these things take forever. So that's why if you're doing this, make sure you have, the power cord connected. Do not rely on just the battery, because it's already been approximately 2 hours just because, not even an hour and a half, just because of the Acer part of the software. The initial, wiping the old operating system and then reinstalling it, it's about 15 minutes. The problem is the Acer part, it takes forever, and it's been going on for at least 40 minutes now. Now we got 2 more minutes, which usually takes a couple more minutes to do preparing the desktop. But I think this is basically just the last part of the setup from Acer. So let's check this out. Alright guys, so that actually took about 2 minutes. So that's actually surprisingly. Now we're waiting to see if we get the icons finally and get the actual laptop to be reset to factory settings. So again, it's going through its process. It's doing a couple of things. I don't see anything on the screen. It's just a blue screen. But I see the cursor, which is right about here. Just waiting it out and see what happens. Alrighty guys. So it took another minute here and there, but as you can see, it finally showing the desktop, and it's saying setting up personalized settings for Microsoft Windows Media Player. And it's been doing this for a very long time, setting up this, setting up that. Again, you have to be real patient, and more importantly than that, you have to have the laptop plugged into the power directly. You cannot have you cannot just rely on the battery, because this process does take a while. So definitely keep that in mind when you're doing this. But again, as you can see, it's already setting up the last parts of the Windows login screen, and that's pretty much it. Just have to wait out a couple more minutes. Overall, as you can see, there's the icons finally appearing, but it's already reset, and you should not have any more problems. Like I said, it's going to take a little while, so just be patient with this thing, but it's very, very simple when you do that key combination. I am going to put the key combination on the description, just if you want to take a look. It's fairly simple. Try it out, see if it works. If you have any kind of problems, just send me a comment, notification, and I'll try to help you out any way I can. Again, this is Gadgets123 Tech Help. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more giveaways pretty much soon. So before the end of the year, we're going to do a couple of them. So definitely join us on Twitter and Facebook so you could get more information on that, and we'll let you know when the next giveaway